Making this video in light of interesting market news for us in the coffee space this past week. This Thursday, Black Rifle Coffee launched their IPO on the New York Stock Exchange, closed trading on its first trading day at a $3 billion valuation. If you're not familiar with Black Rifle Coffee, started several years ago by U.S. military veterans, and they've done a great job really of holding that market segment, building a brand that has an identity component to it. It's exciting to see that pure play coffee companies who are doing a great job are getting rewarded by public markets. Look at the numbers for Black Rifle and you just can't help but get excited. $3 billion market valuation at the end of their first day of trading. Comparing that to 2020 results, multiples on earnings, what that looks like. 2020, they did $163 million in sales, $4 million in profits. We don't yet have 2021 results for them, so we'll look back to 2020. But essentially right now, they're trading at a revenue multiple of about 18.5 times revenues, and if you get to price to earnings, about 750 to 1 in terms of price to earnings. Have to take the price to earnings ratio, I think, with a grain of salt, in the sense that they're a growth company, they're investing a lot of money in marketing, trying to continue to build that audience, so they're not focused on kind of maximizing the earnings at this point. But what we are seeing, and what's exciting for us, is companies that are in the commodity space, in the coffee space, are able to enter the public markets, leverage what we're seeing in terms of record high coffee pricing right now, and get some great returns for their investors.